couple of times, people always raise the question, I need money to start my business. Some says I need capital to start a business. Many times, the capital we need, they are available and they're all around us. All we need is how to access this capital that are around us. And most people always equate capital to be money at all times. No, your idea can also be regarded as capital. It is a better idea to have started a business and looking for capital than to be looking for capital to start a business. In this video, I want to be giving us various ways we can raise capital to start our business. Number one, personal savings. I always say to people in most of my videos that saving is not an investment, but saving is required for you to invest. So anybody who is trying to raise a capital, the first place to look out for capital to start your business is from your personal savings. And there's something we call 70-30 principle. So anytime money comes to you, 30% does not belong to you. In that 30%, there is a portion for charity and there's a portion for savings. Some start with saving 10% of their monthly income. Some start with 20%, and you can do it consistently. And I always say to people that it is a small daily repeated habit that amount to something big. Let's say you need $100,000 to start a business. If your paycheck is $500 every week, you can be saving 20% of that money. Over time, it will accumulate, amount to substantial amount of money that you require to start your own business. So the first place to raise capital for your business is from your personal savings. Number two, from friends and family. If you are looking to raise capital for your business, you must have some people within your network that you can trust to request capital from, to request some money from. Some of them will probably give you. You see, your network determines your network. So if you have some people who you are surrendered yourself with that are able, you can trust to ask for a form of money to start up your business, they're always there to respond. If you have like 10 friends, chances are that out of the 10 friends, 2 or 3 among them will be able to support you in your business. So one of the ways to raise money, to raise capital for your business is from friends and family. There are some of your family members, there are some friends that you can count on that will support you in any line of business you want to venture into. Then another place you can raise money is from selling some of your belongings. If you're able to sell some of your belongings, you see, most time when people are looking for money to start a business, they're always looking outside, who can I ask, where will I raise money? But most cases, people fail to look inward to see that they have some valuables. It could be something that you have before, like a liability or asset. You can sell off some of those things and you'll be able to realize some money to start your own business. So most time we need to look inward, look around us. It could be an AC unit in your house. It could be your jewelry. You can sell all of that. It can be some people have 2 phones, 3 phones. You can sell off 1 or 2, raise money to start your own business. Over time, if your business blossom, if your business becomes successful, you can be able to raise money from the business and replace all those things, all those personal items you already sold to start up your business. That place where you can raise money, raise capital to start your business is through partnership. Most times, people have idea, they don't have money. At times, people have money, they don't have idea. So if you have idea for your business, you need to go and approach somebody who have money. Then you say, okay, this is a business idea that I have. Then write a proposal, table it with the person you are talking to. The person may buy into the idea and bring money, you bring the idea. Both of you can jointly own the business. You see, many times when people are starting business, they are thinking about self, me, owner, and all of that. Anybody who wants to be successful, they need to network, reach out to other people. Then you guys can co-own the company. That is what partnership is all about. So Mr. A has idea, Mr. B has money. You guys can come together and you can start up a business. That is another way of raising capital for your business. Another way you can raise capital to start your own business is through government grant. In most countries of the world, government are out there trying to support young entrepreneurs who are ready to start a business. So one cannot know it. In the environment where you live, you can just put it on Google, government grant for business. So you are going to see many options that you may not have even known before. Then access it. Then you can always get government help to raise capital to start your own business. But in most cases, some of these government grants, they are not free, but the interest rate is usually minimal, so that when you are paying back, it will not be too cumbersome for you to do. So government grant is another avenue for you to raise capital to start your own business. Another way to raise capital to start your own business is through debt. And what I mean debt, it means other people's money. Yes, like you can approach your banking institution, financial institution within you, and ask them for a business loan. And when you do that, it is called other people's money. That is OPM. Remember that other customers deposit their money in the bank. So you approach a bank is trying to loan other people's money with interest to you, just to start your own business with an obligation to pay back. That's another way of raising capital to start your own business. And lastly, what I want to talk about is your gratuity. A lot of people who have worked in some offices for a very long time, so when they retire, they usually pay them a lump sum, like a form of gratuity, and they can always put this money together to use to start up a business of their choice. So in summary, first of all, we must always look inward. Many a times we have what it takes, but we do not realize it. But this kind of information coming to us at this time, we should be able to look inward first before looking outside, for us to be able to raise capital to start our business. Thank you very much, and I believe you'll be able to learn one or two things. You can put them to practice, and they will always work out for you. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.